This is the service elevator, okay?
We're going to take a look from the inside.
Okay.
These are the service elevators located in the West Tower at the CHI Health St. Elizabeth, Lincoln, Nebraska. Good. We have a fan annoying.
Okay.
It's a nice cab. Oh my God, that fan's annoying. Oh, it's 5,000 pounds. Because penthouse lot, here's your phone. OTIS. We have to send up to 3. We'll take a look at another one.
Okay.
Oh, good. We have a annoying fan.
Well, it has to have a fan, yeah.
There's a loud fan.
Okay. I'll call the other one.
Let's call the other one. This one's an annoying fan too. This is just like the other one. Your fixtures, Series 1, your certificate, 5,000 pounds. Send up to 3.
And then that'll be it.
And that would be it. But watch the numbers about the outside.
Goes up to 3.
All right.
That's it.
That's it.